Welcome to Mindful Monday, brought to you by Stockton Unified School District Mental Health and Behavior Support Services. This month, our topic is on self-esteem. Self-esteem is a person's overall sense of self-worth or personal value. In other words, how much you appreciate and like yourself. A person's self-esteem is not set in stone and will fluctuate over the course of one's life. Studies have shown self-esteem is highest in younger children and decreases as they get into their teen years. As parents and educators, we want to see the children in our care thrive. One way in which we can help is by helping to build their positive self-esteem with mindful actions on our part. Don't forget, it's not how other people see you, it's how you see yourself. And that's what makes it hard. Consequences of low self-esteem creates anxiety, stress, loneliness, and increased likelihood of depression, causes problems with friendships and romantic relationships, seriously impairs academic and job performance, leads to increased vulnerability to drug and alcohol abuse. Worst of all, these negative consequences themselves reinforce a negative self-image and can take a person into a downward spiral of lower and lower self-esteem, and increasingly unproductive or even actually self-destructive behavior. Let's look at some children with negative self-esteem. Are self-critical and hard on themselves, feel they are not as good as other kids, think of their failures rather than their successes, lack confidence, doubt they can do things well, feel unsure of themselves, and don't join in. What parents can do to help build the self-esteem of children and teens. Use positive statements, nonverbal language, be generous with praise, teach positive self-statements, teach decision-making and problem-solving, use constructive criticism, and be an example. Here's a great tip when helping your child build self-esteem. Constantly praising your child or telling them that they are perfect regardless of their actions is not the way to build self-esteem. Use praise in a genuine way. When your child is experiencing challenges, talk about how it's okay and normal to fail. This can help to build confidence and resilience. What can educators do to help build the self-esteem of their students? Use the student's name when addressing them. Have conversations with every student. Avoid making assumptions about the student's behavior. Separate the behavior from the student. Point out positive aspects of the student's work. Greet students on a daily basis. Be patient when explaining expectations, when a student makes mistakes or is having a hard time grasping concepts. 12 ways to help kids boost their confidence. Encourage a growth mindset. Encourage independence and risk-taking. Remind kids of their strengths. Give chances for everyone to shine. Give specific positive feedback. Teach and discuss resilience. Help kids celebrate accomplishments. Teach positive self-talk. Have kids reflect on growth. Celebrate diversity and uniqueness. Encourage kids to follow their passions and help kids set and meet individual goals. Not only is it important that we help to build positive self-esteem in the children and teens in our lives, but that we encourage them to be the driving force of their own self-esteem. Here are some ways in which children and teens can increase their self-esteem. What can you do to help boost self-esteem? Many people report a feeling of helplessness, but there are so many things, traditional and non-traditional, that can help boost self-esteem and get you feeling great again. Healthy self-talk. This, not that. Whoops, I made a mistake. I'm so dumb. I like me. No one likes me. I did something bad. I'm a bad person. This is really hard, but I'm going to keep trying. I give up. I'll never be able to do this. I haven't figured it out yet. I never get anything right. I am enough and worthy too. I'm not good enough. Here are 10 ways to boost self-esteem. Take care of your physical needs first. Hang out with people who really get you. Accept a compliment with a smile. Treat yourself to something nice. Let yourself have leisure time. Get and give lots of hugs. Forgive yourself for past mistakes. Let yourself express a different opinion. Relish in your accomplishments and let yourself be perfectly imperfect. If you'd like more information, please visit the following websites. Take a mindful moment to stop and appreciate how amazing you are. And remember, you have the power to build up those around you. Continue to practice your mindful moments on a regular basis. We look forward to seeing you in the fall. Have a wonderful summer, and don't forget, you matter. For more information, visit www.stocktonusd.net/MHBSS.